In this video, we will cover the Manage Users page. Manage Users page is available under the Common Setup menu under the main navigation panel. You must have an active user account with an active subscription in order to use any of the Coexsys Project Cloud application. You can see all of your users under the Manage Users page. Using this page, you can create a new user accounts, edit existing accounts, reset passwords, and update your employee settings. Please note that only administrators can update user profiles. Next, I will create a new user account for this tutorial. Here you can upload your profile picture. Enter profile details such as first name, last name, and email address. As you proceed with entering data in this form, you can see the business explanation by clicking the tooltip icon. Next, select the user-level role for the user to be created. Coexsys Project Cloud is a role-based approval management system. Application functionality, features, and access to some pages are all determined by the role you select here. Next, the active status on the user account determines the status of the user. Only active users can log into and use Coexsys Project Cloud applications. Next, you can select user's local time zone. This time zone assigned to the user profile enables geofencing and clock in out for the attendance tracking cloud. Further down, you will see the Employee tab. Under this tab, you can enter your employee profile. Note that the employee profile is required if you have the attendance tracking cloud. If you do not have attendance tracking cloud, however, then you will not see this tab on your Manage User screen. Under the employee profile, you can enter necessary details. The most important setup are two radio buttons here, exempt and non-exempt. Depending on the employee status, exempt or non-exempt, the attendance cloud tracking app determines type of attendance tracking required for the employee. You can always change the status on this screen if there is a change in employee's pay structure. Once you complete setting up the user and employee details on this page, you can save and exit the page. You will see the newly created user on the main user grid here. This data grid is where all user profiles are displayed. Note that this page is exclusively available to administrators only. To edit a user profile, simply click on the pencil icon here. This will open the Manage User page in the edit mode where you can make necessary updates to the user profile. You must also open the page in the edit mode to access information like number of apps assigned to the user, login history, and employee tabs. Here is one example of a user who currently has project management license assigned. As an administrator, you can also see license used and available under each app. Please visit Manage Licenses and Subscription tutorial videos on how to manage subscriptions and licenses. There are also quick features available for administrators when managing the user page in edit mode. For example, you can use these previous or next arrow buttons on the top right to navigate to previous or next user record. As an administrator, you can also see users' login history, and so on. This completes the Manage Users page tutorial. Thank you.